how to view your Facebook story archive. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Now, actually, over here, I have a story and I can actually archive this one real quick. And it will actually also be archived after the 24 hours are over, of course. But I don't have any other stories, I think. So I'm just going to archive this one real quick. Then once you have actually something in your archive, you want to go to your profile, then click on these three dots right there. And then you can actually see archive right over there. So that is where you actually want to click on. Now here you are now in the regular archive. And at the top left, you can see story archive. And that is where you want to actually click on. At the bottom, it says, your story archive is off. Turn on your archive to revisit your stories or share them again. Only you can see your archive. So I want to turn this on because now my stories will actually go to the archive after 24 hours. If you don't have that turned on, they won't show up here unless you archive them manually like I just did. So yeah, that's how you can view your Facebook story archive. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.